Want this glowing text effect in Premiere Pro? So first add some text and resize and reposition it using the selection tool. Then duplicate the text layer by holding Alt and drag it up on track. Now go to Effects panel and search Gaussian blur and apply it to the bottom text layer, and with the layer selected, go to Effect Controls and increase the brightness value a bit. We can now see that we got the slow effect. In this case, the bottom layer is a glowing layer because it has the blur effect applied to it. The top layer is just a default text. If you want to animate this glow, then you can simply select the bottom layer and then keep them blurriness in the fixing rules, then move forward a bit, then click on the reset button if you want no glow at all. And you can of course also leave a bit glow on if you want that. Now simply select both keyframes and then copy them by pressing Ctrl C. Then move forward a bit and then paste them by pressing Ctrl V. You can now continue moving forward and paste them if you want to, and we now get this pulsing glow effect.